One, our group chose the retail sector. So in retail, data is collected from many sources. This includes customer purchase history, personal details like name and email, payment information such as credit cards or loyalty points, as well as inventory and stock levels. Retailers also gather supplier details and even track online customer behavior like clicks and abandoned carts. So data storage and management. So this data is stored in different types of database. Relational databases like MySQL or Oracle are used for structured transactions, while NoSQL databases like MongoDB handle unstructured data such as product catalogs. Data warehouse like Amazon Redshift or Google BigQuery allow large-scale analysis, and cloud database help retailers manage data across multiple store locations.
Transforming raw data into information. Once the data is collected, it must be transformed into useful information. In retail, this is done through a sales dashboard that shows revenue and product trends, predictive analytics to forecast demands and manage inventory, recommendation systems that suggest products to customer, and marketing reports that guide targeted ads and promotion.
Problems solved by databases. Databases help solve many challenges in retail. They prevent overstocking or stockouts by tracking inventory. They also improve the customer experience by offering personalized services, increase supply chain efficiency, provide real-time insights for quick business decisions, and even detect fraud in online payments. Amazon. A great real-world example is Amazon. As the world's largest online retailer, Amazon uses massive databases to manage millions of products, track customer behavior, optimize its supply chain, and power its recommendation system to suggest products to shoppers.
Risk and challenges. Despite the benefits, there are also risks in retail databases. Privacy issues may occur if customer data is leaked, and cybersecurity threats like hacking and fraud are constant risks. Errors in data accuracy, such as wrong stock levels, can damage business performance. Also, storing and maintaining such large volumes of retail data comes with high costs. In conclusion, the retail sector can maximize the value of its data by strengthening privacy and security, ensuring data accuracy, and leveraging AI-driven analytics for forecasting and personalization. By, integrate, by integrating supply chain systems and using customer insights effectively, retailers can reduce costs, optimize inventory, and deliver better shopping experiences that build long-term customer trust and loyalty. To answer the question, what recommendations can you recommend for retail sector? So the recommendations that for the retail sector are to expand more on the leveraging of data. Retailers who are lacking improvement in sales can make use of data to understand the customer preferences, buying habits, and sales performance to make informed decisions about the sales and services. As for companies who are still following the traditional way, they can integrate generative AI to improve various aspects of the business.
And that's all for our presentation. That's all for today. Thank you po.